So, Tita Julie,
Yes.
explain to us your menu.
So our menu for today is kimbap.
Kimbap.
Kimbap is rice churba.
Okay. So, ano yung mga ingredients?
So our ingredients for kimbap would be we have some carrots, cucumber. If you don't have spam, you can also use luncheon meat and yellow pickled radish. Right?
Homemade?
No, it's
Oh.
not homemade.
Abi ko ginubrang.
Wala ko nakobra kayo
Okay.
because
Na busy sa career. Okay. Okay.
And we have the nuri, sushi nuri, seaweed din siya.
Yes.
And sesame oil, sesame seed, and then ang rice later.
Okay.
And then egg. You're gonna put some eggs.
Okay.
That's all. Thank you. So gagawa na tayo ngayon ng kimbap.
Yeah. So, welcome Tita Julie. And Tita Julie will gonna teach us how to make kimbap.
So, to make kimbap, we need, of course, the rice. Na ano siya, na seasoned na siya with sesame oil and then a little salt. Then we have the nuri wrap, or what we call the seaweed, right? So, before,
Shira din.
pwede mo wala lang.
So, before you use it, you gaang-gaang in the fry pan.
Gaang muna in the frying pan so
Yes.
that it would look shiny and shimmering splendid. Then we have here carrots. So carrots is you slice it julienne, like very thin. Julienne, yeah, it's julienne. Then ano siya kitawag na sa ano? Seasoned with salt and sesame oil.
Yes.
And then we have the cucumber. We have the yellow pickled radish. Then we have egg, spam, and the sesame seeds.
Alright. So, we'll do the rolling time.
And the dip. So first step is lagyan natin ng rice natin yung nuri. So just half of the nuri wrap. So huwag masyadong makapal yung pagmumukha katulad ng beshi mo dyan. Parang looks. Joke lang. Sige, hindi ko dapat straight line talaga. Pag hindi straight,
Bawal tumiko. Pero pag sinabi ko, tumiko.
mamatay. Sagad pa kung mag-upguro ulit.
Pilak na lang.
Sagad pa mag-upguro.
Mas skillful ang kamay, ah.
Yes, wala. Later lang.